Hi there, students. Wry. Wry is an adjective. Wryly is its corresponding adverb. Originally, wry meant twisted. He made a wry face, bent, contorted, not straight, twisted. You could even say a wry, broken nose. But this use of wry today is not very common. Today, very often we talk about a wry sense of humour or a wry look. A wry sense of humour is dry humour. It is bitter and ironic. It's cynical. It's contemptuously mocking people's motives or their virtues. So he has a very wry sense of humour. This is a type of humour that is indirect and critical. So, for example, one of the results of the lockdown is half of us have become excellent cooks and the other half have become alcoholics. Okay, this is indirectly saying that during lockdown, everyone either spent their time cooking or drinking. So, if you make a wry joke, it's to make something sad seem funny. He told some wry jokes about the time he spent in prison. Maybe making jokes about the food or things like that. So it's laughing at something that's maybe not very nice. Okay, let's try a slightly different meaning. He gave me a wry smile as he told me that a pretty girl got the job that he was trying to get. So his wry smile is saying, that's life. That's the way things are. You can't change it, so best not to get depressed about it. Okay, he wryly asked why there were no poor politicians. Here, this is a wry, contemptuous, mocking humour. It's indirectly saying that politicians are corrupt and they take money, and this is why there are no poor politicians. But it makes you think. My mum was such a terrible cook that everybody in my family is thin and nobody is overweight. It's wonderful. Okay, maybe it would be nice to have a mum that was a good cook. And then maybe you'd all be fat. Okay, so wry. It's laughing or accepting the irony and unfairness or reality of life, making cynical jokes about people's intentions and their motives, mocking them. Okay, so a wry sense of humour. I think it's critical, but not making this criticism directly. Okay, what about formality? I think as an adjective, maybe 6.5 to 7. It certainly sounds quite literary, and I think this is a great word to include in your essays. I think if you were talking informally in the pub, ironic, cynical, something like that, you could probably use wry. But I get the feeling that most people don't actually know what wry really means. This word wry came from Proto-Indo-European to Proto-Germanic, and in Old English we have a word rigan, which means twist or bend, or to strive or to struggle to get something. Notice we also in English have this adverb awry, to go awry, and I think I have a video on this. If things go awry, they go wrong, they become twisted. Okay? So, wry, the first meaning is twisted, but we use it for an attitude, a wry sense of humour, slightly twisted, laughing at things that maybe you shouldn't find funny, but a joke is a joke. Or accepting life because that's the way things are and you can't do anything about it. So, for example, a wry comment. If I was 25 years old, female, and had long blonde hair and a good body, I'd have 6.7 million subscribers. But I'm just an old man with a beard, so it's a slightly different thing. So there you go, wry. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wryly.